Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing well. I just wanted to make a video about Schoology and how to navigate it so you guys can be successful for this course this year. So I'm going to go ahead and take you guys on a little tour about Schoology. Let's go. Okay, so for this course, we're going to be in our main page. If we scroll down, you're going to see some folders. Let's first talk about our first folder. So we are going to go by weeks. And so here you'll see week 1. Once we are done with week 1, this will go into the old folders, and then you'll see week 2. And then that'll continue so on. So if we click onto week 1, you will see this week's instructions. If you click on this, it will give you the entire week's idea of what's going to happen. So I highly suggest looking at this either like Sunday or Monday morning so you know what's going to happen each day of the week. Now notice I don't have anything for Wednesday. That's because that's more of a day where you guys can just catch up or practice, or if you need to come to office hours and get help, that's what's going to happen. Now each day is going to have its own folder. So let's go into Tuesday's folder. You will then see that day's instruction. Now, you will then also see attendance. So I will be taking attendance Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. So definitely make sure you read that and you know how I'm going to take attendance. So if I'm taking attendance through Google Meet, all you have to do is come to the Google Meet, do whatever we need to do, and then you're good to go. And then you'll also see like required. So that just means that you have to go to the Google Meet. So then I will also list what we're doing for that day, and then if there's any forms that we need to have. So if you notice the would you rather activity is not listed here, that means we're probably going to do that together. And then everything else maybe be something that you do on your own. Now if we go into Thursday, right, it's kind of the same thing. You'll see this. So attendance is the class info quiz. So notice here that I didn't say Google Meet is required. So if you don't see that at all, that means you don't need to come to a Google Meet. Unless if you have questions, then it's really optional, okay? Now sometimes I might link things inside today's syllabus. So like you can see that my hand is allowing you to click on something and it'll take you there. Okay, and so that'll be the same thing for Friday. So let's go ahead and go back to our next folder. Okay, videos. So basically what I'm going to do is going to also put the videos of the notes in here. So anytime we have something in week, I'll put it in the week as well as the video or in the video notes. Just so that you have two places, it's all here together, and this will be for the entire unit. That'll be the same thing for the homework assignments and answer keys. So all homework assignments and answer keys will be in this folder, but then I will link it to anything inside the week folder as well, okay? Now that stuff might be dropped daily, it could be dropped by the week. It just kind of depends on what we are doing for that time. Okay, next one's gonna be the virtual learning info. So you're gonna have multiple, and I could add more folders later on, just depending on what's happening. For the course and Schoology info, that's basically pertaining to advanced studies and Schoology homework tips and tricks. So you definitely can click here. You'll be able to see the syllabus. Definitely make sure you read that, okay? If you click on this little box with the arrow, that would just kind of give you a pop-out, meaning that will give you like the Google Docs, okay? So if you want to actually have that and see it a little bit bigger, then you can do so. Then we do have the class elements. So that's going to be the same thing. It's just a page here. So you just make sure to read it, okay? Make sure you understand it. And if you don't, you can always ask questions. And then if you need to enlarge it, of course, you can just basically enlarge your screen to do so. And then the Schoology homework tips and tricks, that's going to be a PDF file. It's just going to come up here. And definitely make sure you read through this as well. And then there you go. And of course you can enlarge it if you need to go to a certain page, so on. Okay, how-to videos. I might put some how-to videos, especially on maybe how to do inserting an assignment, how to download PDFs, how to write on something. It kind of just depends what's going to be there. Additional math resources, if you click here. There is Remind, so I would highly suggest signing up for that because I will be sending out notifications or messages about upcoming events. Really, this will be saying like when is a homework check, when we're having quizzes or tests, maybe when grades are updated, anything like that. And then here's what you text. This is our code, and you text it to this number. So definitely make sure you sign up for that. Next is my office hours and tutoring times. Very important that you know that, so we can just come here. I have my Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday, as well as my Wednesday. So just notice the time as well as what's saying. So if it says email before joining the meet, that just means like, hey, are you available right now to join the meet? If you have a question, or if it's something really quick, you can maybe just email me instead of coming to the Google Meet. So that might help as well. On Wednesdays from 8 to 9:50, that is going to be more of a specified time. So saying, hey, can we set up a time at 9 a.m. to do a Google Meet? So you do have to give me a time on that. And then open tutoring, so from 10 to 12, meaning that I'm just gonna have my Google Meet open for those 2 hours. Come and go as you would please. So this year is going to be very key for communication, so definitely make sure you email me if you have any questions, and then if you're available, come to any Google Meets. Okay, last thing I have right now is the TI-84. I highly suggest downloading this extension onto your computer. It will help tremendously, especially if you are watching a video and I'm showing you how to use the graphing calculator, then you can just kind of use it on your computer as well. Now, in this additional math resources, I might put up more maybe information, PDF files, videos about certain topics or anything that you need help with. And then lastly, it's going to be school info. So this is just basically virtual learning. So you have the virtual learning handbook. If you just click on it, it will take you to it. And then of course you can do a pop-out page. So if you need to have it in another tab, you can click on it. And then this will also be the same thing for your virtual learning expectations. Make sure you read through these so you know what is occurring and all the expectations that are happening. Then I have the older folders. As I said, basically any of the week folders, they will come into here after the week's done, as well as the videos and homework assignments. Now this will occur when the unit or the entire chapter is finished, and I will put it into the old folders. Okay, next thing. Now you may have noticed these colorful buttons up here. What I have done is created shortcuts. So notice when we went into week 1, you kind of had to do some clicking to get into a certain folder. Well, if you don't like to do that, just click on the button. So let's say, hey, I need to know what to do for Tuesday. Click on Tuesday. It takes you directly to the Tuesday folder for that week. I have that for Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday. If it doesn't show up, that means there's nothing for that day, okay? I also have it for the Google Meet, so instead of like trying to figure out where the Google Meet is at, just click here and you'll go to it. Lastly is the Need Help. That actually will take you to the Additional Math Resources folder. So it'll take you here. So just a little bit shortcut so you don't have to keep clicking on the folders. The next thing are some things up here. One is the calendar. So I will be putting up into the calendar maybe some times of when we have tests, quizzes, and definitely you'll see when homework assignments are due. So definitely use that if you need to know when things are due there or what might occur, okay? And then really lastly is going to be this message here. Basically, if you do have a question and your email's maybe not working or you don't want to go through a Google Meet, another option is to do messages on Schoology. I will still see, because I'll see a pop-up if there is any messages there. So that's a possibility to use, and I might use that if I need to notify the entire class, but I can also use Remind for that, as well as email. So there's just many options you can use to communicate with me. If you have any further questions about the setup of the AS Algebra 2 Schoology course, please, as I said, email me, or any times that I do have my office hours or tutoring times, you can come in and I can help you out. Okay, see you guys later.